Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a story with you. One that's deeply woven into the fabric of South African culture. It's about a dish that's not just food but a symbol of history, creativity, and community. I'm talking about the Bunny Chow. Durban, a coastal city on the eastern shore of South Africa, it's a melting pot of cultures and that's reflected in its food. Back in the 1940s, an Indian worker had a problem. He wanted to serve a curry to his fellow worker, but they were on the go and didn't have time to sit down and eat. So, in a moment of pure creativity, he came up with a solution. He hollowed out a loaf of bread, poured in some curry, and there it is. The Bunny Chow was born. Now you might be wondering, why bunny? Well, there's a lot of debate about that. Some says it's short for bun, as in a bread bun. Others think it's linked to bunny, the affectionate term for a rabbit, because of the round shape of the bread. But no matter where the name comes from, the real magic is in what goes inside. The beauty of Bunny Chow lies in its simplicity at its heart. It's a humble dish, curry in a bread bowl. But it's so much more than that. It's a symbol of resourcefulness and innovation. You see, the curry itself would often be made from whatever was available. Chicken, lamb, beans, vegetable, and spiced to perfection with a blend of Indian spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. The bread? It absorbed all those flavor, becoming an integral part of the dish. Bunny Chow quickly became street food sensation eaten by workers, locals, and tourists. And as it grew in popularity, it evolved. People started experimenting with different curries, adding things on top of it. What began as a simple meal for laborers turned into a beloved dish enjoyed by people from all walks of life. This is not just about the food, it's about connection. It's about gathering around the table, sharing a meal, and feeling like you're a part of something bigger. Whether you're sitting in a bustling street corner in Durban or enjoying it at home with your loved ones, Bunny Chow has a way of bringing people together. It's not just food, it's an experience, a celebration of South African history and a nod to the resilience and creativity of the people who made it. And there's something so special about eating it with your hand, tearing off pieces of bread to scoop up the flavor curry. It's messy, it's comforting, and it's pure joy. Every bite is like a little piece of South Africa filled with warmth and tradition. I hope you enjoy this little slice of South African history. If you've ever tried Bunny Chow or if you're planning to, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Until next time, thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. See you soon. Bye-bye.